Here is my 1986 Casablanca Zephyr, made in 1986. I think I said that twice now. And polished brass. And this ceiling fan I got for free off of Facebook Marketplace. The lady had 3 Casablancas that she was selling, and there are 2 left, and I just picked this one. I rather the Zephyr than Delta 2, so anyway, this fan's in great condition. Overall, the flywheel does need to be changed at some point. It's a rubber flywheel, but it's starting to fall a little bit sometimes, so but that's only when I change the speed and after I leave it running for a long time, which I always do, so happens more than it should. These blades are not original. I switched the blades from the Union and the Zephyr, and because the Zephyr came with its original blades, which were basically the same except no cane, so just thought this was a better look. This is in my room. Find a tag or something right here. Yes. There it is. Got scratched a bit, looks like, so that's unfortunate, but top of the motor, nothing crazy or anything. Just the blades on the other side. And this fan is connected to a W11 IntelliTouch wall control. Just right over there. Excuse the noise from my cat. But yeah, let's get this puppy running. I also have this in my room now, in my closet. Put up a Homestead custom emerald green metallic brackets just for fun. Looks great. Did another shortened blade thing. It's awesome. Works well. Anyway, here's the control. All right, speed 1. I like the aesthetic slow-low. It's really nice. Speed 2. Speed 3. Speed 4. Speed 5. And speed 6, which I will change the view. And it's kind of a miracle that it's not like hitting the tapestry. Alright, let's do a spin down. Thank you for watching.